Our next topic is electrostatic potential energy. Now we know that here the word energy means work. Energy means work, and we know that work is said to be done when some force is applied and body gets displaced, right? For example, in the 11th class you have studied that about the gravitational potential energy, right? Now we can explain this by giving example. For example, when I pick anything from the ground and take it to some height, then I have done some work against the gravitational force, and that is stored in the form of its potential energy. Similarly, if we are talking about the electrostatic potential energy, it means amount of work done in taking the body from one position to another against the electric field, electric energy. Now to understand the concept, let us consider we are having a charge plus Q, which is acting as a source charge at point O, right? So this charge is having field symmetry, which is spherical symmetry all around, like this, all around. We can draw the lines like this. Okay, here also we are having it spherical symmetry. Now let us consider 2 points. Let this is point B and let this is the point A in the field of Q. Let we have to bring a test charge Q naught, which is considered to be positive, test charge Q naught from A to B through a displacement dr, right? We have to do some work against the electric field intensity of this charge Q, because this is positive charge, and when we keep the test charge Q naught here, it would repel this charge, and to bring this charge toward this charge, we have to do some work against the electric field of charge Q naught. Now to bring this charge from A to B, some work has to be done, which is stored in the form of its potential energy, and that is known as electrostatic potential energy, right? So we can say that more nearer we bring the test charge, more nearer we bring the test charge to the source charge, more is the energy stored in it. So in general, we represent the expression as WAB. WAB means we are bringing the test charge from A to B, is given by integral of A to B F external into dr. Here external force is the force which we are applied to bring this charge Q naught toward the Q. Or we can write this as integral A to B minus sign Fe dr. Here Fe is the force due to electric field of this charge Q. Since the direction of this force is along this direction, and we are displacing the body along this direction, so force into displacement by the formula becomes F ds cos theta, and theta in this case becomes 180 degree, so that becomes F ds minus sign. So that is why here minus sign comes. So we are having two expression, WAB F external dot dr and or F minus Fe dot dr when we are putting F dot dr, right? So this is the expression for the work done stored which is known as potential energy, right? And what amount of work has to be done depends upon the difference of potential between the 2 points. So we can write it as delta U is equal to UB minus UA equal to WAB. So that the work done is equal to the difference of potential energy between these 2 points.